my immaculately organized basement shop, I have a single-stage dust collector with a trash can separator. This aims to intercept the heavy chips from tools like planers, limiting the agonizing effort required to change the dust collector bag. Unfortunately, I lost the inlet that creates the cyclonic separation action, so much of this debris was making its way into my collector. I could just buy a replacement for $8.50, but as I like to say, why do that when you can build one in your favorite video game and save $2.86 in the process? 12 hours later, I had my part. And after removing the support material, it was ready to install. And it fit on the first try. The testing went swimmingly.